Last week, I spent 5 hours and $49 to complete Google's latest beginner course. Naturally, I now need to recover that investment to fund my deeply unhealthy parasocial relationship with AI. So I made this video. Today, I'm sharing 5 key takeaways from the course, the pros and cons, and the definitive answer to whether this certificate will get you paid. Beiji Mori, because of your new skill. Obviously, broadly speaking, the course breaks AI tools into 3 categories. First, standalone tools. These are AI-powered apps that work independently with minimal setup. This group includes general-purpose chatbots like ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity, along with specialized tools like Otter.ai, Midjourney, and Gamma. Even though they serve different purposes, they're all considered standalone because you access them directly through their own apps or websites. Second, tools with integrated AI features. These are regular software platforms that have AI built in. For example, after drafting a post in Google Docs, you could copy it into a standalone chatbot to improve it, or just use the built Gemini feature right inside Docs. Same idea with Google Slides, where you can generate images without leaving the app. Third, custom AI solutions. These are purpose-built systems designed to solve very specific problems. For instance, Johns Hopkins University developed an AI tool specifically to detect sepsis, dramatically improving diagnostic accuracy. The key insight, custom AI doesn't always mean highly technical for the end user. In many workplaces, these tools are designed to be simple to use even if the underlying tech is complex. One of the most practical prompt engineering tips is to explicitly state what you think is obvious. Imagine your vegetarian friend asks for restaurant recommendations. You'd naturally suggest vegetarian-friendly places, even if they didn't say it. AI doesn't work that way. If important context lives only in your head, the output will be generic. When prompting AI, spell out the relevance, background, past performance, constraints, goals, audience, and so on. The more relevant context you provide, the better the response. In AI terms, a shot simply means an example. 0 shot, no examples. 1 shot, 1 example, few shot. 2 or more examples for simple tasks. 0 shot often works fine. But when Tony's style or format matters, providing examples dramatically improves results. Think of it as showing the AI what good looks like instead of hoping it guesses correctly. The course defines this nicely. Break a big task into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of asking an AI to write my entire cover letter, you might generate the hook, refines the body paragraph, craft a closing. This step-by-step approach usually produces more accurate and consistent results and gives you more control over the final output. This is the part many people skip. There are 3 major limitations to keep in mind. 1, bias in training data. If the underlying data is skewed, the outputs may be 2. 2, knowledge gaps. Models only know what they were trained on and may lack recent information. 3, hallucinations. Sometimes AI confidently produces incorrect information. This can be harmless during brainstorming, but risky for high-stakes decisions. Always verify important outputs. Let's start with who this course is not for. If you already use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini daily and want deep tactical use cases, you may find the material too high. Some examples in the course are fairly broad and could have benefited from more real-world detail. That said, the course shines for beginners. 3 major strengths. You're learning directly from Google experts. The visual explanations make complex ideas easy to grasp. The interactive exercises actually reinforce the concepts. The quizzes aren't trivial either. You do have to pay attention to pass. If you're brand new to AI, a visual learner, or want a credible starter certificate, AI Essentials is solid. Will the certificate alone magically boost your salary? Probably not. But combined with real-world application of the skills, it can absolutely help you stand out. And if nothing else, at least now your questionable relationship with AI is slightly more professional.